are pleased to show you the 2021 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, brake assist, stability control, roll stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, power brakes, braking assist. Come see the car for yourself.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.